Lunar dust and duct tape. Datum 1999-0501. Why is the moon dusty? On Earth, rocks are weathered by wind and water, creating soil and sand. On the moon, the long history of micrometeorite bombardment has blasted away at the rocky surface, creating a layer of powdery lunar soil or regolith. This lunar regolith could be a scientific and industry. Orion, the Running Man Nebula. Datum 20260202. What part of Orion is this? Just north of the famous Orion Nebula is a picturesque star-forming region in Orion's sword that contains a lot of intricate dust, some of which appears blue because it reflects the light of bright embedded stars. The region's popular name is the Running Man Nebula Beck. Shapley 1, an annular planetary nebula. Datum 20110816. What happens when a star runs out of nuclear fuel? For stars about the mass of our Sun, the center condenses into a white dwarf while the outer atmospheric layers are expelled into space and appear as a planetary nebula. This particular planetary nebula, pictured above and designated Shapley 1 after rays from an unexpected aurora. Datum 2005-1120. This aurora was a bit of a surprise. For starters, on this Friday morning in August 2002, no intense auroral activity was expected at all. Possibly more surprising, however, the aurora appeared to show unusual structure of green rays from some locations. In the above image, captured from north, the Cat's Eye Nebula in optical and X-ray. Datum 2019-0501. To some it looks like a cat's eye. To others, perhaps like a giant cosmic conch shell. It is actually one of brightest and most highly detailed planetary nebula known. Composed of gas expelled in the brief yet glorious phase near the end of life of a Sun-like star. This nebula's dying central star. Observatory aligned with Moon occulting Jupiter. Datum 20230524. Sometimes we witness the Moon moving directly in front of, called occulting, one of the planets in our solar system. Earlier this month that planet was Jupiter. Captured here was the moment when Jupiter reappeared from behind the surface of our Moon. The Moon was in its third quarter. 2 days